Hi, I'm Mariah, and I'm gonna do Ave Maria by Beyonce. She was lost in so many different ways, and stuck with no guide. I know the cost of losing him there, but for the grace of God, though I found heaven on earth. You were my last, my first, and then I hear this voice inside. Ave Maria. I've been alone when I'm surrounded by friends. How could the silence be so loud? But I still go home, knowing that I've got you. And there's only us with the lights go down. You are my heaven on earth. You are my hunger, my thirst. I always hear this voice inside singing Ave Maria. Sometimes love can come and pass you by while you're busy making plans. Suddenly hit you and then you realize it's out of your hands. Baby, you got to understand, you are my heaven on earth. You are my last, my first. I always hear this voice inside. Ave Maria. Thank you. Please subscribe, and you may request.